Right, so let's have a quick walk around. Let me log into my account and show you what is Rebrandly and what does it do, right? So let me log in. Um, you're going to get a shortened URL link, and if you've ever tried to affiliate market anything, or you've ever tried to share people information, you've got to um, you've got to remember this long URL, right? So, for instance, my Facebook page is facebook.com forward slash Paul Nicholson Go, right? So I've got to remember that. Or I've got a Rebrandly link that is pnuk.co Facebook, right? But if you went and got your Facebook link, say it's this, right? So it's facebook.com forward slash Paul Nicholson Go, right? It's going to tell me it's already in. So what you can do is set up a Rebrandly link. So rebrand.ly 007, or call this Facebook, or whatever you want to call it. And then you just tell people. So I can tell people my Facebook page is pnuk.co forward slash Facebook. I can tell that to anybody out there. But what Rebrandly does also, which is cool, is it tells you how many clicks. Let's get rid of this filter. It tells you how many clicks you've had on each most popular slash loved. I don't know about slashed, but you can see how many clicks. So the interview that I've been doing, I asked people to click on this video on this link to book an interview with me. This is a platform that I recommend for a trial, and you'll see different ones. Promo. So this is an affiliate link to promo. So if I go to promo, here's my affiliate link. So my promo affiliate link, because I logged in with my Google, is promo.grsm.io forward slash the drink with Paul experience 4313. I'm never going to remember that, but I will remember pnuk.co forward slash promo, right? So I don't look too much at the clicks. How many clicks have I got on these links? I don't worry too much. If you are promoting something, you may want to know that. What I'm more interested in is this little short link that I can get to push people exactly what I want them to get, right? So let's talk in the next section about affiliate marketing.